y'all, what's up? It's your girl Aisha and we are back for another video. I'm excited for this one, y'all. I have a special guest for y'all. Hold on, I'll show you just a minute. Give me 1 second. Yes, ma'am. Luvme Hair was so nice enough to send me one of their wigs. Thank you so much to Luvme Hair for sending this to me. I'm super excited to put this on, y'all. Cause, yeah, it's time. But before I go too far, if you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Join the family. And if you're not new here, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed my last video. And if you're not new here and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. But let's get back into this wig. Yes, so Luvme Hair was super nice enough to send me this wig. And before we install this wig, y'all, I'm gonna show you guys what is in this box. So this is their Parting Matte Glueless wig. It is a layer cut loose body wave 7x6 closure HD lace. Y'all know Luvme Hair and their laces. One thing Luvme Hair don't play about, the HD lace. Y'all, let's get into the material. Cause what? Find the lace. Find the lace. You can't find it. But y'all, let's talk about what's in the box, okay? So it comes with a Luvme Hair brand bag for the wig. So whenever you take the wig off, you can put it right back in here. It also came with this cute little Luvme Hair tag. Super cute. And it also comes with a melting band. And then it comes with the HD wig cap. This wig is in 22 inches and it came pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. It's giving wear and go. It's giving wear and go. Did I mention it was 7x6? Let's get into the space. The space. Yeah. And it's a free part. So you can part it in the middle, you can part it on the side. Let's see what it's given straight off the bat. Already, I haven't even done anything and it's already given. Like, oh yeah, this, yeah, yeah, it's giving. Wow. And it's so full and it feels super light. I love the layers. I love the curls. I love the side part. Y'all, I'm a middle part girly, but this side part is giving me life. Hold up. But just look at that. Glueless. I don't even have to do much to it. It is a free part, so I could part it down the middle if I wanted to. Let's see what it would give if I bought it down the middle. And like I said, I'm a middle part girly, so yeah, we gonna work through it. We gonna work it to the middle, y'all. Yeah, we're gonna work it to the middle. But let's get into this install, y'all, cause this hair is giving. Let's do it. It's a glueless wig. Like I said, it's a perfect fit. It feels so good in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. This is the Red by Kiss Styler Fixer Melting Lace Melt Spray. I'm gonna use this just to melt the lace. So I'm gonna spray just a little bit and press it into the lace. Alright y'all, so I decided to change my part to a middle part because like I said earlier, I'm a middle part girly. So yeah, but here I'm just changing my part. But as you guys can see, the wig, you can wear it in multiple parts. You can wear it on the side, you can wear it down the middle, you can wear it to the other side. But yeah, it's super easy to move over. Just use a hot comb and a wax stick and it moves just fine. But y'all, I am so in love with this wig. The middle part came out so cute. This was my first time using the melting spray that I used in the earlier clip, and to be honest, it's not my favorite. I wouldn't recommend it. It did okay, but I feel like there's other melting sprays out there, so yeah, I wouldn't recommend that one, but it did what it needed to do. So I'm just using my curling iron to tighten up a few curls. Like I mentioned earlier, y'all, this wig can be adjusted any way you want. You can make the curls looser, you can make it tighter. I love the way the curls came, so I was just using my curling iron to tighten some of the curls. Alright, y'all, this is it. It's giving grown woman, it's giving fall, it's giving. And do you see how quick I put that wig on? Quick, because it already came pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-cut. Y'all, I didn't even have to add no foundation, no nothing. Like it came ready to go. This is their Pre-Max Parting Layered Loose Body Wave 7x6 HD Closure Glueless Wig. If you want this wig specifically, I will link it down below. And y'all, come closer. No, a little bit more. Closer. I have a discount code for y'all. I have 2 discount codes for y'all. If you want this specific wig, go ahead and use code Aisha for 28% off. Use code Aisha32 for 32% off all 7x6 wigs. And that's on what? Period. But anyways, y'all, that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to shop, y'all. It'll be linked down below. Falls on the way, girls. You want this one. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.